Welcome to my health channel. In this video, I want to explain how can you test for pregnancy by using toothpaste. How can you test for pregnancy by using toothpaste? So if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. So in this video, I'm going to explain how can you use toothpaste to test for pregnancy. It is known that when you feel you are pregnant, you can go to the hospital and they can test you if you are pregnant or not. But also there are some of the ways which many people have used, and sometimes they be accurate or not accurate. For example, you can use toothpaste, you can use salt, you can use wine, you can use shampoo, you can use baking soda. All these are some of the ways which you can test for pregnant at home. So in this video, I'm going to explain how can you test for pregnant by using toothpaste in a particular way. First of all, you need to have a toothpaste, and make sure that the toothpaste which you're using it should be white, not colored. So you need to take a white toothpaste, because when you use the colored toothpaste, it will go to interfere the reactions. And also for me here, I have a sample of urine, which is sample X, and also I have these ones for keeping urine, and also I have a stick here. So it is like this. First of all, I'm going to take this urine and then I'm going to keep in the first container. And then after there, this is toothpaste. So I'm going to transfer it to the reaction container. Yes, good. After there, I'm going to add toothpaste, and I've said that make sure that you use a white toothpaste, not a colored toothpaste. So I'm just going to keep a little amount of it. After that, I'm going to stir. Make sure that you use a clean stick, or you can use a spoon. So after stirring like this, make sure that you wait for about 5 minutes. So when you wait for about 5 minutes, okay, so after waiting for about 5 minutes, so we are going to look the reaction. How was it? Because if the mixture or the reaction turns bluish or foamy, it means that you are pregnant. But if the reaction, there's no any reaction which takes place, it means that you are not pregnant. So it means it is like this. It means that this test, you should not rely on it so much, because until now it is not known what amount of urine is required for the reaction to take place, and also what amount of toothpaste you are supposed to keep. So just keep any amount of toothpaste and any amount of urine. Don't rely on this test very much, because this test it is accurate about 30%. So make sure that you go to the hospital and test if you are pregnant or not. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.